Ayan. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Sa muka ning bataan niyo. Today's video, I would like to share. Don't need, go away. The beauty of this village. Pass out, yeah? Hello, Christy. Hello, Tony. Sag hello. Ayan. Tony, I put away this chocolate. Behave, please. Ayan. This village called Tower. This, nakikita nyo yung mga bahay-bahay na yan. This village are called Tower. Also, this place is also same Tower. Ayan. So, as you can see, we are surrounded by high mountains. Also, everywhere, we are surrounded by high mountains. Nakikita nyo doon. Ayan, sa pinakatuktok, hindi na masyadong makita kasi nga cloudy. Foggy siya, tapos cloudy din. Kaya hindi mo makikita. Yung pinakatuktok niya is may snow pa siya. Ayan. Nag-i-snow pa. Ayan, dito din cloudy. Hindi mo makikita yung tuktok ng bundok dito banda. Ayan. Ito yung lugar or village kung saan kami nakatira dito sa Austria. So we are so lucky because we are surrounded by nature and natural mountain Alps. Ayan, yung bahay namin is bandang ito. Ayan, yan yung bahay namin. Yan. Ito yung bahay namin. And we're going up here for a walk kasi kailangan namin na mag-walking. Kasi nabuburyong kami sa bahay. Pag sa bahay lang nakaupo, walang ginagawa. So, ayan. Ayan yung bahay namin is dito banda, oh. Ayan. Ito yung bahay namin, oh, ito. Yan yung bahay namin. So, and then this side, makikita nyo dito. Yan, dito na side is, yun yung tinatawag na Innsbruck City. Malapit lang kami sa city, guys. Yung city dito, ang pangalan ay Innsbruck, Tirol, Austria. So, ayan, 10 minutes, nasa city na kami. Ganyan lang kalapit yung village namin sa city. And then, ayan. So, makikita nyo, ang ganda ng lugar namin. Grabe. We are surrounded by high mountains. And then, yung mga bahay dito is nasa gilid ng bundok. Ayan, makikita nyo, sa tabi ng bundok is yung mga bahay-bahay dyan. Tapos, yung bahay naman ng father-in-law ko, doon banda. Dito banda yung bahay ng father-in-law ko. Diyan banda. Diyan banda. Yan. So, diba makikita nyo ang ganda ng lugar. Sobrang ganda. And this time, it's 6 degrees Celsius. So, super lamig pa. Normally, in this time, is parang 10 degrees, 15, mga ganyan, or 20. Pero, kagabi, nag-snow. The whole night, nag-snow kagabi. Tapos, kahapon din. Siguro mamayang gabi din. Kaya, makikita nyo yung bundok is makapal pa yung snow. And then, ayan yung anak ko. So, ayan, that's all for today's video. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So, if you like to visit Austria. Visit Tyrol, Austria. Tyrol, Austria is really nice place. Good for hiking. In summer, good for hiking to the mountains, and in winter is the one of the tourist spot here is yung skifahren or skiing, yung mag-slide sa snow. Ayan. And then yan yung makikita nyo mga puting-puti na yan. Yan yung plantation, yan yung farm plantation. So ayan, yung puting yan, yun yung covered. May tinanim sila dyan na na mga gulay. Tapos pag malamig kasi ang panahon, tinatakpan nila para hindi masira yung gulay. Hindi masira yung gulay, kaya tinatakpan nila ng parang silky na cloth. Yan, makikita nyo, ayan. Kaya makikita nyo, may mga puti-puti na sa fields yan. Ayan, so, that's all. Thank you for watching.